don't know where we are.
We always do this.
It's raining and it's a little rainy, it's a little cold, but I'm warm on the inside because that's what counts.
Is that all you have to say?
I'm trying to find gifts for people. Finding gifts for people makes me really, really, really stressed.
Why?
Because you're like, does this person even wear hats? I can't remember. So, are we ready to party?
Yes.
The answer is yes.
This vlog's just gonna be a lot of us on a bus.
Tell me to talk more.
Should I just say something?
I already told my story. Sometimes my grandma, can't cut the camera, but I was saying that my grandma gets those Pillsbury biscuits, which are not the same as the croissants, and she fries them. It's kind of, I don't like it. Then we eat it with chole. And I just find that perplexing why you would fry a Pillsbury biscuit, but we love family, so it's okay.
Scene? End scene?
I love my grandma. Alright, if you could be any fruit, what fruit could you be?
I'd be a green bean. That's not a fruit.
If I could be vegetable, I would be curly kale. My discovery of study abroad is that red cabbage is so good. It's so cheap. It's a very hearty veg, so it lasts for a long time. You can just shred it and like stick it on top of it. It's not anything, but many things. Kate is gonna guess. Will it show up?
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you.
This place is so cute. We just got these for free.
You need another fresh bite, a bit more sugar and it might even taste nice. A golden egg and a wet wipe.
Thick eyebrowed supermodel is bouncing up and down.
Is it Cara Delva G?
Delavine.
Delavine?
What rhymes with Delavine?
Queen?
No, jumping up and down.
Cara Delevingne.
What do you jump up and down on? It's like the only word that rhymes with Delavine.
Bounce? Delavine.
What do you bounce on?
Oh, a trampoline. I was thinking bounce a castle. I love matching games. Oh wait, that one. Oh god.
Is that about loving matching games?
I still love matching games. Can't make me hate it.
You didn't think I was so good at them.
No, but I still love matching games. No one can take that away from me.
I'm trying to tell you that you're working for a glass lie. Childhood agrees, but obligation.
Just my luck.
Did you know that?
No, I didn't know that.
Oh, this is ridiculous. This is stupid. I hate this game now. I still like it.
There's only 4 left. Get the freaking David Hockney one. Alright, ready?
High-wise pizza.
Now I'm regretting that.
You're a bitch.
Thank you. Thank you.
Next.
Thank you, next.
1, 2, 3. Hey!
Hello, everyone.
We're here. Today,
We're going to do a haul.
Shoreditch. And
I can't put that in there if you wish.
we went to Shoreditch. And it's a craft fair called Renegade Craft Fair.
Can you see that? Can you see that? Can you see that?
And we went to Hoxton. We're gonna do a very brief haul of what we found at these places. And then we're doing,
Okay, but disclaimer, what we found mostly was not material items. It was human connection.
It was 1, 2, 3. Human connection. Connection with human.
Okay.
Anyway, also we're
Anyway.
borrowing a concept from a YouTuber who did a knowledge haul. Who I don't know who they are. What did we first get? We both got these. They're pins that say "sketchy bitches."
Basically, it was this little stand.
At the Renegade Craft Fair.
Yeah, and it was this woman, and there was a bunch of kind of like prints of
Faces?
faces mostly. Yeah, but we
Yeah.
saw these, and we were like, ooh, fun. But then we went up. The woman was like, oh, it's not just a pun. It's like a group of women, and
They sketch each other.
yeah, and it's like a fun social event. And I don't know, the one was really nice.
We wish we could have gone to this event because she started showing us the pictures of people drawing
It was
each
really
other.
cool because it was on little business cards about yay big. But
But she
it
was so
super
cool.
The craft fair was a little overwhelming because there was so many
Hipsters?
hipsters and crafts and local soaps. But yeah, so we didn't get anything else, did we? No,
No.
that was it. But then we went to this other weird market because it was raining. But they had a lot of those little stands, just weird junk with buckets of old photographs that are actual people in
So
exist.
funny.
But I got, these were 50p each, and I got 3. Well, I really just needed to buy this one. But then I felt weird only buying one, so I don't know. This one was, I think if it's not London, it kind of looks like London, so close enough. And then this is just a man, an old man, and some women by a swimming pool. I just kind of liked it. That's what I got there.
I got this pin for Cece. It says, "Life was okay," and it has a skeleton on it. And it's pretty cute.
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm a fan. And then I was like, "Sir, I'm giving this as a gift." And then he gave me a small Christmas bag, which is probably a waste and bad for the environment, but
I mean, it's not
cute.
a plastic bag.
Yeah, but isn't this like? This feels. But anyway.
I don't know.
Anyway, it's cute. No dolphins will hopefully be killed. Okay, then we went to the Hoxton Monster Street Supply Co, which is super cute. It's like monster.
They have like
what does it say?
it's basically like kind of they sell specialty food items like candies and jams and stuff like that are monster themed. So it's like brains and snot and earwax. But I mean, it's candy.
But it's really sweet because all the proceeds go towards like a creative writing program for like the youth in the local area. The first thing I bought was this sticker that says "Boo." I don't really have much to say about this. I just really liked it.
And then you cannot see this from here. Tiny pin. It says main protagonist. That's what I am.
The woman when I handed it to her was like, "It's a good choice." And then also for Cece, because that was what I was looking for, I got her a tote bag because she's the one who mentioned this place. It says "Dead Good" on it. Cute, quirky. And then on the back it says, I feel like the YouTubers I watched when I was 13. On the back it says,
Aww.
Hoxton Street Monster Supplies, established 1818.
I just like that it says dead good. Dead
It's pretty
good.
cute.
Dead good, mate.
Cece, love you. Thanks for the recommendation. And really thank you for the recommendation
Oh,
because then
we went to this place. We walked down the street a bit and it was really rainy and then we were going to go to a coffee shop in Shoreditch originally, but then we had left to go to this other store. So there wasn't really any coffee shops on this street besides another one in a bike shop. We passed this one place walking down the street that we were like, okay, if we don't find anything else, we'll come back here. And it had a lava lamp in the window. Matters of vital importance was what it was called. And so we didn't find anything else, so we went back in there. And it was like this record shop, coffee shop, and there was this one guy working there who I presume owned it.
yes.
And he was so chatty. And it was honestly so...
It was like
So
really
fun.
cozy. So it's one of those ones like where you walk in and then like the seating's in the back, but there's no windows, but it's like dim lighting and there were couches and like one of those like bigger tables, but like There were board games.
There were board games.
And like no one was in this place besides like some one other old woman who was just like the kind of person who I think
Yeah.
chills in this place all day.
Yeah.
Because then the owner, who we presume is the owner, would come and like sit in the back and then go to the front, and it was just so
Yeah,
sweet.
and we got tea and coffee, and then he brought us mince pies, free of charge.
So
He
cute.
was like, it's Christmas. And then at the end, we chatted with him again when we paid.
About the U.S.
Yeah,
traveling, London.
yeah, because we told him like we were leaving. And also there's this woman in there from Nebraska. Oh yeah, when this woman from Nebraska walked in, she was like, hi, can I get a coffee for takeaway? And the guy was like, takeaway, like you don't want to just sit in? Because it was raining, I guess. He was like, yo, you just don't want to have it in? She was like, well, I mean, I guess I'll have it in. But yeah, we talked to a lot of shopkeepers today.
So
And
we
it was
feel
really rewarding. Because I'm not good at that.
Like accomplished.
I feel intimidated by shop workers.
They were all super nice.
But they're actually nice. And it's fun to talk to people. It's fun to talk to people.
Talking to strangers safely. So
That was fun. I felt like we really got out of our comfort zone today.
We were here. I think that really helped to
Yeah, that
hone in the point.
Yep.
So
Okay.
that was our haul of human connection and material goods. We had a good rainy day.
Yeah, it was also really
We feel
rainy.
warm. Oh.
So yeah, thanks for joining us today. Thanks for coming along with us. Okay, so anyway, we're gonna go now.
Comment, like, smash that like button,
I hate that.
smash it. This is a mosquito. Smash it. There's
Okay,
blood
we're-
everywhere.
Okay, we're writing our papers now. Bye!